in this town, and it's probably going on in every town and city, but more needs to be done, I think, Doug, in terms of education. Young people who are from, poorer communities, Doug, they don't really engage in the classroom, do they?
No, there's a lot of disaffect. I mean, we got involved working with young people, teaching martial arts as an alternative to the curriculum. And but I was disillusioned, did GCSEP, wasn't really into football or basketball, so I didn't fit. So I had something, and I found outside of school that helped me channel to do something. And then seeing the entrepreneurship of the kids today,
absolutely,
it's been good.
And this is what it's about, role models, isn't it, Doug?
Yeah.
Role models. We're just actually with the Queen of the Yard here, Doug. So right behind us there, oops, wait, getting run over. So we've got the Queen of the Yard, keeps this yard running. It's called Gloria.
All right, okay.
And what she's doing there now is crushing them cars. And it's a little bit like how young people feel today. They feel crushed.
Yeah.
They feel hopeless. And what we're doing here, and with partners like yourself, it's lots of opportunities we can do. But it is all about safeguarding, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, in its different forms.
Busy place. Very busy. So it's all about safeguarding, isn't it, Doug? And we're looking at, we will be early next year putting on a conference.
Yeah, definitely. We did a safer handling conference, but I just think something that's aimed at all the different facets of safeguarding, not just for young people, but vulnerable adults as well, taking into consideration different sectors. So, I've got an idea for a few speakers that I'd like lined up, like we did at our place.
Yeah.
We're looking at Bolton Football Club, I think. It's a central location where everyone's from.
Brilliant.
And just to address everything, bring some speakers in around the CSE and the gang side of things. Bring some people around drugs. The drugs have changed. The fact that you've got sniffer dogs that are looking for Spice 8, Spice 7, when in the labs it's been changed to Spice 17. Soaked into bits of paper, brought into prisons illegally, and then you've got that go out to the streets.
It's absolutely madness. It's chaos. But there's one thing for sure, Doug. We know that the way out of poverty is actually creating your own business, isn't it?
Yeah, no one's coming to save you.
No, nobody's coming to save us.
If you're your own boss and you're motivated by doing something you're passionate for, then you probably have a better chance managing cost of living crises, dealing with whatever else gets thrown at us by the elite and the powers that be.
Absolutely, yeah. We just have a look at Gloria here. She's crushing them cars. It's Gloria. She's the Queen of the Yard. She's the main artery.
Yeah.
She keeps everything moving forward. Wow. So it is all about safeguarding the community. It's all about the next generation, how we support the next generation, Doug, isn't it? The next generation. There's so many. We're not here to talk about the problems, but we can't ignore the problems. What we want to talk about is actually solutions.
Yeah.
And I think all that young people need, especially those who, they don't fit the classroom. It's not, classroom's not for everybody, but I think we need to be more, hands-on learning, isn't it, Doug?
Yeah.
A bit like what we're doing here, isn't it?
Yeah, just get people having a go at things. Probably some of the lads here have never cleaned a car.
No.
And you're giving them the opportunity to make some money from it and see the potential.
Yeah. So, it's bye from me. Thank you everybody for listening.
Thanks for having me, Sam.
You're welcome, Doug. Great to see you.
You too,
and if you're looking for any training, restraint training, de-escalation training, staff training, we know young people are getting violent, Doug. You offer, just give the audience a flavour of what you do.
Anything where people are dysregulated, can't manage their emotions. We want to give staff the support, not just to change the culture and recognise things, but give them the necessary measures. You can all have a fire extinguisher, even though you don't have fires every day. It's the same kind of thing. It's not training to deal with naughty kids or bad kids. It's just around having the skills there to support people. We use the example of learning to swim. You know, if you can swim, you're going to be more confident around water. If staff know that they can protect themselves and hold someone safely, they might avoid something in the first place by not looking scared, not exhibiting those signs which could be mistaken for aggression.
Well, really looking forward to working with Doug and the Safe Handling team. Looking forward to putting on an event next year, a safeguarding conference with all organisations and, you know, even people from across the world as well, maybe.
Yeah.
So it's bye from me. Have a great day. In this. Well, Sam here for the Genuine Futures family. Alongside me today is Doug Mooney from Safe Handling. Doug,
Good to see you, Sam.
always a pleasure to see you. It's been a while since we last spoke, isn't it?
That's, yeah, well.
So what brings you here today to reshine any kind of Genuine Futures, Doug?
Well, the sideline thing was I got a new wheel for the van because a scrapyard. That's always one of those bonus
For what? Let's walk.
But I wanted to come and see your site, meet some of the young people. They've done a sterling job of the van. It's shining, and just learning a bit more about the different sites you've got, the stuff we can potentially do together, and the synergy we got with the stuff we do for young people.
Absolutely. We've just had some great. I had the big wagons coming here. Look at the big trucks are coming here. The scrappers. Busy place, Doug, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been talking about lots of different ways we can collaborate, work together, and we know, a lot of places, youth custody centres, there's a high level of crime now going on in the communities. Prisons are overflowing. Prisons are being thrown around as well. They're not being manhandled properly. They might be kicking off, even in schools, Doug. What do you think the problems are?
I mean, you've got children having children, haven't you? That's one of the problems. There's no parenting manual. No, I certainly didn't get one. Did you get one?
No, I didn't get one. Absolutely not. No.
So everyone's just winging it, really. Wow. A lot of influences from society. Yeah. A lot of uncensored content on the internet. Yeah. There's just speaking to one young person today talking about e-scooters, gangs, machetes. Seems to be becoming more commonplace, and there's not trust. From what he said to me, there's no trust in the police. Absolutely,
and I'll just to say, one of our young people, we was aware of this last week. Here in Bolton, we're based in Bolton. There's a lot of young people in this town who are not in education, employment, or training. I think I'm not sure of the numbers, but there's thousands.
Yeah,
it's a big town, is Bolton. But what's been shared with us today, Doug, was quite.
It was raw, wasn't it?
Very concerning, very raw, real, and thinks, wow, is this what's going on? When I grew up here, we didn't have running around with knives.
No.
What we're seeing today on the streets of Bolton and in parks is boys on scooters coming out from other towns, apparently, and, pulling out samurai swords, machetes, is what he said.
Yeah.
What is happening, Doug?
I don't know, and I just think maybe because we were talking to him on their level, that he felt safe to disclose that. Because at the end of the day, it's a safeguarding risk, isn't it?
Massive safeguarding.
And I think you don't want to tell your parents that because you're worried.
Yeah.
It's on your mind because you want to do something about it. You can't phone the police.
No.
But down here, he's felt that I don't like the word safe space, but he's felt that he can talk about it and not be judged. And perhaps it's a cry for help. Perhaps it's something he wants support with.
Yeah, let's go for a walk, Doug.
On these streets where the hope ran thin, doors felt heavy, didn't know where to begin. Told to wait, told to fit the same old plan, but we needed more than talk, we needed a hand. Then the light came on in the heart of the town, a place where futures get built, not written off or down. Real people, real voices, someone who listens. Boss your future, showed us what's been missed. They said you've met us, and they meant it this time. You can rise up, you can shine, it's your climb. Boss your future. Dream ignited with the encouragement's flame. The world's ours to take, we're not playing a game. From mentors and workshops, a passion unleashed. Boss your future, fed the hunger we cease. Chasing every vision, goals in our sight. Together we're stronger, a powerful light. Building bridges, paving ways, hearts in the zone. We're rising like the sun, turning grit into stone. They said, you better, and they meant it this time.